Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to remove all the downloads in the 10% application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the person button at the top of the page on the left. And then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the right. And then at the manage section, click on the downloads button. And then look for the remove all downloads button and click on that. And then click on the remove all button. And that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.